It started on a quiet afternoon. I was sitting on my bed, phone in my hand, scrolling slowly. The fan was turning lazily above me. Everything felt calm, almost too calm. Then I heard it. A ping. Not just any ping, the kind that makes you stop and check your phone immediately. I picked it up. Your order has been confirmed. I frowned. My order? I didn't remember ordering anything. I opened the app, and that's when my heart dropped. 2 large pizzas, 1 chicken bucket, 3 bottles of soda. Delivery. Already on the way. Wait, what? I sat up quickly. I didn't order this. Then I heard a soft sound behind me. Meow. Slowly, I turned. There, sitting beside my phone charger, was my cat, Leo, looking innocent. Too innocent. Leo. He blinked. Now, in English, when we say someone looks innocent, we mean they look like they did nothing wrong, even if they did. I narrowed my eyes. You didn't, did you? He meowed again, and then I saw it. My second phone on the floor, screen still on, food delivery app open. I picked up the phone slowly. My voice dropped. Leo, what did you do? Now, what did you do is a very common English question. We use it when we suspect someone has made a mistake or caused a problem. He stretched, like he had just finished a hard day's work. I checked the order again. Everything was real. Everything was paid. And then I remembered. My card was saved on that phone. I froze. You ordered food? Leo walked closer. Meow. Now, meow is just a cat sound, but in this moment it felt like he was saying, yes, I did. My heart started beating fast. What do I do? I opened the app looking for a cancel button. Nothing. I called customer service. Hello, please, I want to cancel my order. Sorry, your order is already being delivered. Delivered. That means the food is already on its way to your house. No, you don't understand, I said quickly. I didn't order it. My cat did. Silence. Your cat? Yes.
Now, this is a moment where English gets fun. When something sounds strange or unbelievable, people often repeat the word with surprise. Your cat? Yes. Another pause. Then the lady said slowly, Ma'am, cats cannot place orders. I looked at Leo. He licked his paw. Oh, really? I whispered. Knock, knock, knock. My eyes widened. That must be the food. I walked to the door slowly, very slowly, because now I had a problem. How do you explain this? I opened the door. The delivery guy smiled. Good afternoon. Your order? I forced a smile. Good afternoon. Now, good afternoon is a polite greeting we use during the day. He handed me the food. please confirm your order? I hesitated. Then I said, actually, my cat ordered this.
Then I sighed.
He blinked.
Okay,
Once?
let me explain.
Twice.
Now, let me explain is
Then
a
he
very
laughed.
useful English phrase.
Nice
You use
joke.
it when you want to give more details about
I
something.
didn't laugh.
I have two
I'm
phones.
serious.
My card is saved on one of
He
them.
stopped laughing.
My cat stepped on it
Now he
and
looked confused.
somehow ordered food.
You're
The
serious?
delivery guy stared at me.
Yes.
Then he looked inside.
There it was again.
Leo walked into
Repeating
view,
for confirmation.
right on cue.
You're
Meow.
serious?
The guy pointed.
Yes.
That's the cat?
We stood there.
Yes.
In silence.
He nodded slowly. Then he said something unexpected. He looks like he would do it. I paused. Wait, what? Now things got interesting. The delivery guy leaned closer. You know, my dog once ordered something too. I blinked. Your dog? He nodded. Yes, he pressed buttons on my phone. Next thing I knew, I had 10 packs of dog treats. I stared at him. You're joking. He shook his head. I wish I was. Now, I wish I was means you want something to be true, but it isn't. We both looked at Leo. Leo looked back. Calm. Proud. Like a king. Okay, I guess I have to accept it. I paid for the food, closed the door, dropped everything on the table. Leo jumped up immediately. Wait. You ordered it, but that doesn't mean it's all yours. He sat down, watching me, waiting. I opened the pizza box. The smell filled the room. Leo moved closer, slowly, carefully, like a thief. You're not getting pizza, I said. Now, you're not getting means you will not receive something. He meowed loudly. Don't argue with me. Now, argue means to disagree or fight with words. I took a piece, sat down, and looked at him. Then I smiled. Okay, maybe just a little. Because sometimes we say no, but we don't really mean it. As I ate, I started thinking, this is actually my fault. Now, fault means responsibility for a mistake. I left my phone unlocked, my card saved, everything easy. Leo didn't force me. He just used the opportunity. That's another good phrase. Use the opportunity. It means to take advantage of a situation. I looked at him. You're smarter than I thought. He blinked slowly, like he already knew. So, what did I learn? Lock your phone, be careful with your apps, and never underestimate your pet. Because one day, you might wake up and find out your cat ordered dinner. I looked at Leo. He was already lying down, full, comfortable, like nothing happened. I shook my head.
and laughed. Living with you is not normal. He opened one eye. Meow. And honestly, this is our life. Simple, a little bit crazy, but real. Welcome to Leo and Me English Life. A place where small, everyday moments like this turn into simple English you can understand and use. No pressure, no difficult grammar, just real life English, one story at a time. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who would enjoy it too. If you've ever had a funny or unexpected moment like this, tell me in the comments. I'd really love to hear your story. Thank you so much for watching. We're really happy to have you here. See you in the next story. Bye.